This review is of Back to Nature plant-based snacks with crispy wheat crackers, and it's non-GMO, and it's kosher or parv, not sure which. And let's see, plant-based, non-GMO, project verified, no high fructose corn syrup, no hydrogenated oils. The Nature Conservancy is proud to help. Wait. Back to Nature supports the Nature Conservancy. Wonderful. And nutrition facts and ingredients there for your consideration. Sorry, the box got a bit squished. All right, so let's just try to fall over. Let's give these a try, okay? That was easy to open. So it's just a basic wheat cracker. Sweet and salty, although not too much of either. Yeah. It's got a nice flavor. Honestly, I don't think anybody's going to complain about it unless you have high gluten intolerance or celiac disease. It's pretty nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.